Hello and welcome to Germanix. My name is Sonja and I will be your teacher and tour guide into this German-speaking community.
Willkommen an Bord des Skytrain von Raumstation Deutschland nach Germanix Zentrum.
Guten Tag and welcome to your first lesson of German. The subject is the one who does an action, das Gefühl, weil. Ich wiederhole es jeden Tag, but articles and adjectives that go with the nouns always change. Nein, and so on.
I can't speak English. Oh God.
Exactly, so that is a negative statement of yours.
I think I still struggle about the German S. Studenten. Studenten.
You will be guided through realistic scenarios.
Wie komme ich zum Café 28?
Das ist ganz nah.
Hallo, was darf es für Sie sein?
Rezeption. Maria Schneider am Apparat.
Hey, ja klar. Wie geht's dir?
Bist du Studentin?
Ja, ich studiere Medizin.
Hier am Berliner Hauptbahnhof. Hi, da bist du ja. Und wie geht's dir? Hier die Mikrowelle. Hier sind Löffel, Gabeln. Entry number 1. Solutions and explanations. The planets we tend to use, but aussehen. This is a separable verb. Many of these words might be completely new to you. Fröhlich. Sicherheitsmaßnahme. Now then, let the journey begin. I hope you enjoy. As soon as you arrive in your accommodation, we can begin our first lesson. Bis dann.